Mark is machine readable catalog. Machine readable means computer can read and interpret the data in cataloging records. Mark 1 started 1966, developed by LC, Library of Congress. LC was first attempt to design and experiment on Mark record format for the purpose of communicating and bibliographic information to a large number of libraries. Mark 21 created in 1999. It was the result of combination of United States and Canadian marks, that is US mark and CAN mark. Mark has been implemented successfully by British Library, European institutions and major library institutions in United States and Canada. Mark 21 is popular in Anglo-American world. Mark 21 record formats. Following 5 types of data. It is bibliographic format, authority format, holding format, community information format, classification data format. Mark is a data indexing system. It contains a guide to its data or signpost activities before each piece of bibliographic information. This process is called content designator. Content designator is a process basically related to bibliographic record. Nowadays it's extended to authority record, holding record, community record and classification information. Many of the content designators are available. We have Unimark from IFLA, International Federation of Library Association in 1977. Common Communication Format CCF from UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization, appeared in 1984. Any standard bibliographic format like CCF, Unimark, Mark are a set of code and content designators defined encoding particular type of machine readable record. Example, bibliographic record. Other formats apart from Mark 21. CCFB, Common Communication Format for Bibliographic Record. Common Communication Format for Factual Information, CCFF. Mark community structure consists of 3 elements. That is record structure, content designation and data content. Mark is based on a physical data recommended by International Organization for Standardization, that is ISO 2709. The data structure will be leader, directory, data field and record separator. Following same hierarchical structure will Mark 21 also. Leader 24 characters, fixed length. This basic division of Mark 21 bibliographic record. 0xx, x defines 0, 1x is 100, 000, field control information, identification and classification field. They are different kinds of control information and code fields are included. In this field, 010 tag is LCCN, Library of Congress Control Number. 020 ISBN, International Standard Book Number, and 022 International Standard Serial Number, 040 Cataloging Sources. Next 100. 100 is a main entry field. In this field 110 main entry corporate name. 110 main entry corporate name. Next 200 is a title related fields. They have different field of title, publication, distribution, etc. In this field 240 uniform title and 250 edition statement. As 300 is a physical description field. Extent of item, size are included. As 400 serious statement fields. Statement of responsibility relating to series. 500 note fields. A 600 is a subject access field. Added entry, subject access field. In this field 610 subject entry corporate name. A 700 added entry field. 710 added entry corporate name. For example, a particular document with two authors, the first author will go to 100 main entry and second author will go to 700 field. Suppose the book Teaching of Chemistry written by two authors, corporate authors, K. M. John and J. Richardson. K. M. John will come in 110 tag and Richardson will come in 710 tag. Next 800 series added entry field. In this field the most important subfield are 856. 856. Say electronic location and access, that is electronic resources. Next 900 reserved for local implementation. Price of the book, barcode, accession numbers are included. MARC record structure consists of three main sections. Leader, fixed length 24 characters, following directory 12 characters, then comes variable field. Variable field is again divided into variable control field and variable data fields. Variable data field is linked in indicated pattern and subfield code. Intermark. International mark format known as Intermark, which was published in 1975 based on UK mark. But it became the original formats for National Library of France and Belgium only. Indian mark published the Bureau of Indian Standard. Bureau of Indian Standard in India 1985. It was very close to UK mark.